Hello everyone, welcome to another design thinking discussion. Today we are going to solve a real world problem. Every year, disasters such as floods, earthquakes, cyclones, forest fires affect millions of people around the world. During these emergencies, reaching victims quickly becomes one of the biggest challenges. What if drones could rescue teams, save more lives? Today we'll use the design thinking process to explore this exciting idea. Let's begin with the first stage, empathize. Hello, Kaushik Raj.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Who are the people affected during disasters and what difficulties do they face?
Sir, during disaster, many people become trapped without food, water, and electricity or medical help. Roads are often damaged, making it difficult for rescuing to team to reach them. Families may also lose communications and with each other. Rescue workers facing dangerous conditions while searching as servers. And the biggest need is fast help and accurate information.
Okay, how can drones make a difference in these
Sir,
situations?
drone can fly flooded areas and collapsed building or forests where vehicle cannot reach. They can quickly capture live images and identify the people who need helps. And drones can also deliver medicine and food packets and emergency supplies. This allows rescue team to make faster decision and respond more effectively.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
now that we understand the users, what is the main problem we need to solve?
Yes, sir. The biggest problem is delayed rescue operation. Emergency term often do not know where people are trapped. Damaged roads and poor communication slow down rescue efforts. Because of this delay, valuable time is lost. Our goal is to improve the speed and the accuracy of disaster response.
Okay, can you define the problem statement clearly?
Yes, sir. How might we use drones quickly locate disaster victims, sir? Delivery emergency supplies and provide real-time information to rescue team so that more lives can be saved.
Vidya, what innovative ideas can be developed to solve this problem?
We can develop an AI-powered drones equipped with thermal cameras to detect the people trapped under debris and in flooded areas. Drones can also carry emergency medical kit, food and drinking water and also the communication device. Live videos can also share with the control rooms. Multiple drones can work together to cover large areas quickly.
Which idea do you think is the best?
I think autonomous drone network is the best solution. AI can automatically assign drones to the severely disaster area. Rescue teams can monitor all the drones from the control room. It reduces effort and speeds up the rescue operation. It also improves coordination among different emergency agencies.
Masha, how can we build the first prototype of the solution?
We can start with the quadcopter drone equipped with a high resolution camera, GPS, thermal imaging and a small gray box. The drone should be connected to a cloud-based dashboard. Rescue team can monitor live video and receive the drone's location in the real time. We can test a prototype in simulated disaster environment.
Okay, what technologies are required to build the system?
We need drone hardware GPS modules, AI-based image recognition, thermal cameras, cloud computing and wireless communication technologies such as 4G, 5G or satellite communication. Machine learning can automatically identify survivors from aerial images. A mobile application can also help rescue teams track drone mission efficiently.
How can we test whether the solution really works?
Oh, sir, we can conduct disaster simulation exercise with emergency response team. And the drone can be tested by locating victims, delivering supplies and transmitting live videos. And we should measure how quickly the drones complete each task compared to the traditional rescue method. Feedback from the rescue personnel will help to improve the system further better.
Finally, what impact would the solution have in the future?
Sir, I think the solution has the potential to save thousands of lives during the natural disaster. It can reduce rescue time and improve emergency planning and make disaster response safer for rescue workers. As drone technology becomes more affordable and governments and disaster management agencies can deploy this system across the country, in the future, AI-powered drones fleets could become more a standard part of every disaster response team.
Okay, excellent discussion everyone. Today we followed the complete design thinking process from understanding people's problems to proposing, building and testing an innovative solution. This discussion shows that technology becomes truly meaningful when it solves the real human problems. Drones are not just flying machines, they can become life-saving tools during the emergencies. As future engineers, innovators and entrepreneurs, think about how you can create the technologies that make society safer and better. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again in our next design thinking discussion video with another real world challenge. Until then, keep innovating and keep solving problems.